जों जेकुनु खायनाफोराव एजुकेशन नांगौ नै सायमानैनो एजुकेशना फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी बियो You cannot do anything without education. You cannot do any job without education. You cannot come into politics without education. You cannot be a good person without education. So this age, this century, education is the most crucial part, be it for the societal development, be it for the human capital, be it for your personal growth. Honorable EM Education na belai hambai Mario chini hoku tu isawo IS school of mani badai chini Dhalai district nge aspirational district ni joto na saimano o aspirational district ni pising se chini all long privilege subdivision ngai joto jaga no I will not say deprived, but joto jaga no overpacked, mane jam, block open onto, buini jaga 10 village committee wa ekta block un khankai, chini oro 30-31 DC wa ekta block. Buini oro 50-60 schools of kaisa IS office tampai chini oro 100 cross na thine. Gan Orang nubuzima nubusik tremendous pressure on chini teachers, chini IS officers, chini education department of samung khane lo, busik cost of hey department of chalo bimato. Student ratio, teacher ratio miliya. Ketal education policy phaigantai apno fulfill khane bagi infrastructure ka hum kare. O is jo se, so apo hai basic amenities no te tomorrow fight hai matamko. We cannot deny the fact that we are lacking in education. Our teachers are lacking in teaching. Some schools have 3 teachers and 5 students. Some schools have 30 students and 1 teacher. All these things should be sought out with diplomatic way. I request our Honorable Indian to kindly look into this matter. At least student-teacher ratio nole chini oro solve khaina niumdon. Karon ang jekuno jaga visit khaigante jekuno institute thun not only schools, AWC banongthum jekuno khantai. Every institute have at least minimum 5 problems. Especially school or jepro visit khai. Teachers rokne oro kom se kom 10 ta valid reason tongo. Botani school of phaya, botani tini class 9 maya, student rotani school phaya, student school of tani infrastructure free. 10 valid reasons tongo. Aza ngena visit khai koro, ngena chuk ngi mathango. Karon systematic disorder ni bagai. Angya se legislator tini oro kok samaniya, but someday I will also be a father of a children. Apru amonai ani busa kahami institute kori tum teachers jara tomai koro ani busano kaham ke purum. Tahu or generation tarje of platform money ang chini time of Honorable MDC botomo or time of jodi se chimo no subraina nichesa khayam dai ani pore je chero asu nai future ba norok ni jaga future generation je teacher ni phenai borok ba chini difference kuno tomya nai karon chini je civic sense chini je mentality change ni away or mentality no chun carry forward khai thang dang dai chini future generation same chini mentality carry khai thanai chun future ro chini responsibility je reserve mani chun je जोंनो दायित्व रिजार्व मानी एज ए टीचर होनथों एज ए पब्लिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होनथों जों आपनी फेलियर नहीं होजानाय so in that case I will request my dear teachers to please regulate everything गोबां मा जोंजाल तंगै मानो there can be many inconvenience in your duty you can be sent for some administrative work mano BLO rozani mano mano mid day meal ni bagi taisa pressure rozani mano